Minister has said that a thorough probe has been ordered. The BJP also clarifying that the security of the Parliament comes under the Lok Sabha Secretariat, and the Speaker has answered. But now the Prime Minister has spoken, and he has spoken about this being a very grave issue, saying there is a need to look at a larger conspiracy at play.
Well, yes, Prime Minister has clearly mentioned that this incident should not be taken lightly. This is indeed a matter of concern. This is a serious matter, and in fact, this should not be underestimated, and that then entire investigation is going on this matter, and the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Mr. Om Birla, is closely monitoring the developments of so as to what is happening in this entire case, number one. But yes, if we see after this, since this incident has taken place, a political war of words has erupted in between the opposition, particularly Congress, the other opposition parties, and of course the Bharatiya Janata Party. Since there has been this major security lapse in the Parliament, where these intruders had jumped in and used these smoke canisters to create ruckus in the Parliament, then the Congress had hit out at BJP, first questioning the date of the security breach, and number two, questioning the major lapses in the security. And now we are seeing the statement coming from the from Rahul Gandhi and other leaders from the opposition as well, who are questioning that the youth are frustrated, they are unemployed because of the inflation, because all these matters which are concerning, which are of great concern to the people of India, and that is why out of frustration they are carrying out such actions which are creative, which are very much a threat to the national security as well. So as to which we have been seeing on and on, BJP has been responding that how these all accused, these intruders particularly, are related to the protests that were somehow held by the Congress parties or the alliance of the Congress parties. But yes, from tomorrow again the Parliament session will be resuming, and of course the uproar is expected in both the houses. On and on, we have been seeing that the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha has been adjourning because of the uproar and the ruckus that has been created by the opposition, because also we have seen that 14 MPs, one from Rajya Sabha and 13 from Lok Sabha, have already been suspended. Derek O'Brien, the TMC MP from Rajya Sabha, was
to get a statement from the Union Home Minister in this regard. One, and second, action against the BJP MP Pratap Simha, from whose office the passes had been given to these intruders. Teshi, stay on with us. While the Prime Minister has spoken about the issue, let's also speak about what the opposition has said, because the opposition has continued to step up the attack on the Modi government. Yesterday it was Rahul Gandhi who cited unemployment as the reason for the security breach. He said that security breach happened because there is unemployment in the country, which is a burning issue for the youth.
सुरक्षा ब्रीच हुई है, वो है, बट क्यों हुई? जो देश में सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है, बेरोजगारी का मुद्दा, जो पूरे देश में उबल रहा है, मोदी जी की पॉलिसीज के कारण हिंदुस्तान के युवाओं को रोजगार नहीं मिलता, तो ब्रीच जरूर हुई है, बट इसके पीछे कारण बेरोजगारी है और महंगाई है.
In fact, it's not just Rahul Gandhi. There are others as well in the opposition's India bloc that echoed Rahul Gandhi's statement, saying the youth in the country is frustrated and hence taking such extreme steps.
बेरोजगार थे, बेरोजगारी के उस बारे में मैंने बात किया. बेरोजगारी बड़ा मुद्दा है देश में. एक फ्रस्ट्रेशन है युवाओं में फ्रस्ट्रेशन है. पकौड़े नहीं तल सकते, पकौड़े तलने के लिए भी जगह चाहिए ना, वो आप दीजिए ना. फिर
सर, इस कॉन्स्पिरेसी के पीछे क्या है वो देखिए.
कोई नहीं है कॉन्स्पिरेसी. बेरोजगार लोग हैं, युवा बेरोजगार है, महंगाई से त्रस्त है, किसान आत्महत्या कर रहा है, उसका फ्रस्ट्रेशन युवाओं में मुझे दिख रहा है.
प्रधानमंत्री जी, राजनीतिक तो आप कर रहे हैं इसमें. ये घटना कहाँ हुई है? भारत की लोकसभा में, जहां पे सुरक्षा की ऐसी घटना घटित हुई है तोड़कर, जो आज तक देश के इतिहास में पहले कभी नहीं हुई थी. जिनके साथ ये घटित हुई है, वो हम जानना चाहते हैं. भविष्य में ऐसी घटनाएं न हो, इनकी पुनरावृत्ति न हो, तो आपने कौन से कदम उठाए? जांच तो बिल्कुल डूब कर करना चाहिए इसमें. कैसे आपके भाजपा के सांसद उनको ले आए, जांच उनकी भी होनी चाहिए. उनके लिंक्स क्या हैं, इसे भी समझना चाहिए. या महंगाई बेरोजगारी से ध्यान हटाने के लिए किसी ने कराया है.
इस सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच के साथ साथ ये इन्वेस्टिगेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये जो नौजवान हैं, इसमें एक बच्ची भी है, ये बैकग्राउंड क्या है और इन्होंने किया क्यों, और वो लोगों के सामने रखना चाहिए कि क्या वजह हुई कि उन्होंने ये खतरनाक स्टेप उठाया, जिसको मैं कहता हूँ सुसाइडल स्टेप उठाया। ये मर भी सकते थे। और मैं ये समझता हूँ कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी साहब को इसके ऊपर स्टडी करना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए कि लोग क्या चाहते हैं, और दूसरी चीज़, इसको मार्केटिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए। सिक्योरिटी ब्रीच हुआ है, उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करनी।
Now, hitting back at the Congress party and the other opposition leaders, the BJP has said that the opposition has a habit of politicizing even sensitive issues and hence continues to face setbacks in the polls as the Janta rejects them.
पार्लियामेंट में अटैक हुआ, ये बेरोजगारी का परिणाम है। सरकार ने आज तक बेरोजगारी के लिए कुछ, महंगाई की बात कर रहे हैं।
राहुल गांधी जी की न कोई समझ है और न समझना ही चाहते हैं। क्या बोलेंगे, विषय कुछ होता है, बोलते क्या है समझ में नहीं आते हैं। राहुल गांधी जी को है सोचना चाहिए कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी के अनेकों योजनाओं से इस देश से गरीबी मिट रही है और बेरोजगारी मिट रही है और नौजवानों को रोजगार मिल रहा है।
और श्री राहुल गांधी जी एक हताश, निराश, उदास सेनापति की तरह जो ऐसे मामले को तूल दे रहे हैं जो मामला देश की संसद की सुरक्षा से जुड़ा हुआ है और जिसकी जांच चल रही है। ऐसे जांच के विषय जब चल रहे हों और वो संसद से जुड़ा हुआ मामला हो तो यह कोई मुद्दा नहीं है। मुद्दा देश में गरीब कल्याण का काम क्या हो रहा है।
Going back to Tejasri for that update, Tejasri, the opposition leaders have come out with several explanations to why the attack took place. While the Prime Minister has spoken about what a grave issue it is, the opposition has also, spoken about it in the parliament. The statements that have come in from some of the opposition leaders, the BJP has objected to it, saying this is the shield being provided to those who have intruded into the parliament, one of the which was considered one of the most secure places in the entire country.
Well, certainly if you look at the statement of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, he has also stated that this entire matter is a very critical issue and a concern and a very concerning issue. That's why this entire matter should not be politicized. And that is what the BJP leaders have also been saying on and on, that let's not politicize the issue. This is a matter of the sovereignty of the parliament as well. The member of parliament represents a large number of people from their own constituency. So that is why they should, there should be a decent behavior from their end, and this entire matter should not be politicized. Whereas we are seeing that the way Congress leaders have been reacting to this entire matter, and their entire blame game has been put over the BJP for the problems like inflation and unemployment that the youths are facing, that the youngsters are facing, that the youngsters of this country are facing. And perhaps we have seen how the leaders from Shiv Sena, also particularly from Uddhav Thackeray camp like Sanjay Raut or Priyanka Chaturvedi, are solely blaming the government, the BJP government, for not acting promptly for the promises that they had made in the past elections regarding the employment and bringing down the inflation rate as well.
Okay, so the BJP is saying that they are turning apologists for what has happened. If they wanted to speak about unemployment, that was not the way to do it. Tejasri,